Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing your device and picking a purpose. Once your iPhone is up to date and iCloud Sync is on, go to Settings Focus. Tap the plus to choose a preset like Work or Personal, or create a custom focus. Name it and pick an icon and color so it's easy to identify. Next, you'll define who and which apps can interrupt you. That's the first behavioral rule that actually changes how notifications arrive. Now you refine the middle details that make a focus usable. Choose people who can contact you and set whether calls, texts, or both are allowed. Enable repeated calls for emergencies. Then add apps that may send alerts and decide whether time-sensitive notifications are permitted. After that, set focus filters to limit mail accounts, Safari tabs, calendar views, or home automations. This prevents distractions from apps that normally run. Make sure each choice reflects the single goal of this focus. Finish by turning the focus on and automating it. Activate manually from Control Center or schedule it by time, location, or when opening a specific app. If you want consistency, enable share across devices so your iPad and Mac follow the same rules. Make sure focus status is configured so others know you're silencing notifications when appropriate. If it doesn't work, check iCloud Sync, confirm focus status and notification permissions, and restart the device. That single troubleshooting step often resolves syncing issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.